The strategy I'll show in this video helped me make 800 Ghana cedis this week. So if you're someone who is looking for ways and means to earn some extra income for yourself, this particular video is going to help you. Now, before we start this video, I would like to say that, you see, if you are working and your salary is like 500 Ghana cedis or 600 Ghana cedis and all that, then you should find ways and means to what? To increase it. You can do something on your own aside the normal salary. So I'll share this strategy with you so that if you're someone who is interested, you can also give it a try as well. So the one strategy I've been using is social media. Social media is a powerful tool that almost everyone is. So even if someone is an introvert and all that, no, the person is mostly on social media. So perhaps if the person wants to buy something or the person wants to even eat and all that, the person can order online and then they'll bring it to the person. That means a lot of people are on social media. Even after watching this video, probably you'll be watching another video, and maybe you go on TikTok and all that. And that's where the strategy comes in. Now, what I do is that some people have been selling products on gg.com and tonaton.com and other social media platforms. So what I do is that I go to these platforms and see which of the products I can actually buy at a cheaper price and resell. So if I get the money to buy some product at a cheaper price, I buy it and then I resell. Now, if you go to some of the real estate groups that we have on Facebook and all that, most of them have cheap products that they are selling. For instance, someone bought a couch, a center table, a fridge and all that, and the person is relocating to what? Let's say Eastern region. Perhaps that person cannot send all these things to Eastern region, so they'll sell it at affordable price. They can't sell it at the price they bought it. Or maybe someone wants to travel out of Ghana and all that. That person will just sell the things fast and just, move out. So this is where, if you are someone who wants to buy things at a cheaper price and resell, this is where you come in. So I sold couch, I sold fridge, I sold TVs for people and all that. But if I don't have the money, maybe the thing is too expensive, like let's say a fridge that is costing like 7,000 and all that, I can't buy it. So what I'll do is to get the buyer. Then anytime the deal go through successful, maybe I'll get like 10% from the total amount that we sell the thing. And this is not something rosy. You are not going to be getting sales all the time. And in business, you are not going to be making profit always. Sometimes it will come down, sometimes it will go up and all that. So if you are someone who wants to start making like 800 cedis or 500 cedis every week aside what you are currently earning, this is the strategy that I believe can help you. Because if you do some breakdowns, you notice that this can also give you some extra income. I advertise people's property too. So if someone has a nice property that is renting out or selling and all that, I promote it. But in most cases, I make sales from the rentals because people are always looking for a place to rent. So whenever I'm able to help someone to get a place to rent, I also get something from there. So basically, this is the strategy that I have personally been using. But the bottom line is for you to know how to use social media. So how do you get started? The first thing is to come on YouTube, how to make money online. Then you'll be watching some of the videos and be learning some small things, or how to sell items on Facebook. You just search on YouTube, all these videos will show up to you, then you learn something from it. So whatever you want to know, Biano, just come on YouTube and ask how to do this, and YouTube will give you a video that will help you. So basically, taking social media seriously will help you. Now, sometimes you can take courses, like if you go to Google, they have free course where they can even give you certificate. If you want to go get a job and all that, they can help you with certificate. But in most cases, I would advise that if you you learn these things and all that, try to use it to do something on your own. As time goes on, you will be making profits. In the beginning, don't expect anything, because I've been doing these things for long and it's now before I'm getting a better result. So guys, this is what I can basically say to help you, those of you who is still earning like 500 cedis a month, 600 cedis a month, even if you are still earning 800 cedis per month. This is a video that I believe can help you to start earning some extra income for yourself. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Anytime I do something and it got successful or even bad, I'll do a video about it, so that those of you who are going through what I went through and all that, you can also be encouraged to start doing something for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.